This is how we break in new tires. Not all tires, new ones. Jeremy got new wheels and tires for the Roush. Direct opposite of me burning my old ones off on the Shelby. He waited to get his new ones to burn out. I know, doesn't make a lot of sense. We don't make a lot of sense here on the channel. Ooh, you got the meats.
That for your Mustangs?
Yeah.
You gonna pull it out?
I'm gonna try. I'm getting stuck by staples over here. I think this is attached to it, maybe.
Need help?
Yeah. Ow! Pull that off of it.
And he weighs 50 pounds. Weighs more than me.
Look at them stickies.
Done something stuck on them sticks.
Them Nitto done got hot.
God dang.
Oh yeah.
They're good and stacky.
She'd probably rode a wheelie on that next one. She heated up now.
Shoot.
Should you tell them about your wheels? I was explaining to them how most people do a burn-in on their old wheels and tires, but
Well, if you'd have drove it on these new tires, you'd have done one too. They've been in the warehouse for a while, I think.
I think they're just cold drag radials, but whatever.
Whatever, okay? Makes me feel better, okay? Look, I think I need to weed eat my car.
I think you do too.
How do you even pronounce them wheels?
Velgens.
Velgens?
Velgen V2's.
We got some Velgens. I like them.
Wrapped in some Nittos. 305s out back. 285s in the front.
Yeah, but you know, I'm a little sad because I thought...
305 doesn't look wide, does it?
I think it's the way the wheels made it tucks it back up underneath it.
That's what that's on the Shelby's 305s.
Is it?
I got them and I was expecting to pick up some side jobs, steamrolling some pavement in the summer. It's crazy to have like a 305 on a 0304 Cobra, and it looked like you had
Because the wheel.
looked like you had a dually. They just on the S197s, they just don't stick out as much.
I mean,
It sticks out a pretty good long ways.
just enough. You can tell. I mean, it's definitely more than it was, but God, she's so dirty. Dirty. Grass everywhere. Seriously. We gotta start blowing the pavement off. I don't know how you're supposed to wash anything if you gotta.
And motorcycles wreck down through there, all them clippings.
I'm about scared of my youngins gonna wreck down there. Well, anyways, we're gonna get it cleaned up for a car show tomorrow.
Maybe we'll show you some video tomorrow, which is what
Yeah.
it's done.
Yeah, we'll get a picture of some video tomorrow when it's all cleaned up, because right now it's nasty. And she's about to get a good bath. I like it. I like the wheels. I didn't know if I was gonna like them because they're very close to what I had before.
That's why I like it. It looks stock-ish, but not really.
But it looks good. I like it.
I'll drive it.
I'm ready for them. All right, let's go wash her.
Ready?
Yep.